This coconut tofu curry is really easy to make and it is flavor packed. Are you questioning whether soy is low FODMAP? We've got 3 articles about that, and rest assured that firm and extra firm tofu is low FODMAP. So we saute the tofu until it gets a little crisp, and then we're going to put all kinds of flavorful ingredients in this, like curry, fish sauce, which I love. This is the brand I like, Red Boat. A lot of fish sauce brands are very salty and harsh. Please use the brands that we recommend for best results. Then there's also fresh basil and light coconut milk in this dish, as well as bok choy. You can use full size or baby bok choy, which is what I have in the images. Served with rice, this is a great tofu curry.